Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to use Signal app on T-Mobile T satellite, send messages without cell service. To use the Signal app on T-Mobile T satellite, you do not need to change any settings inside the Signal app itself. You simply need to connect your compatible smartphone to the T-Mobile SpaceX satellite network when you lose traditional cellular service. T-Mobile allows active data routing for select apps like Signal and WhatsApp over its satellite network. Check the requirements. Before heading off grid, make sure your account and devices are ready. Ensure you have the $10 per month T-Satellite add-on active on your T-Mobile account. You need a modern device running updated software such as an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, or a Samsung Galaxy S25, Pixel 10 or newer. Update your Signal app to the latest version via the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 1. Look for the official eligible device list. As a general rule of thumb, check if your phone falls into these supported model groups: Apple iPhone 13, 14, 15, and 16 series or newer, Samsung Galaxy S21 or newer, Galaxy Z Fold 3 or newer, and Galaxy Z Flip 3 or newer, Google Pixel 9 series, Pixel 9a, and Pixel 10 or newer, Motorola most modern flagship or mid-range devices released in the last few years. Update to the latest OS version. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then tap on Software Update and click Update Now. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then Software Update and tap Download and Install. Step 2. Check if your plan includes it for free. The full T satellite data plan, which opens up data access for third-party messaging apps like Discord, is automatically integrated for free on premium unlimited tiers. Free premium plans include Go 5G Next and Experience Beyond. If you are on these plans, you do not need to purchase anything. Simply jump down to the hardware steps to use it. Step 3. Add T-Satellite data to your account. Method A. Using the T-Life mobile app. Open the T-Life app on your phone and log into your primary profile. Now tap Account tab at the bottom menu and select My Plan. Now select the cellular phone line you wish to upgrade and tap on Add-ons. Locate T-Satellite data from the menu list and check the box to opt in. Accept the monthly terms and tap Activate/Submit changes. Method B. Using the web portal. Navigate to the official T-Mobile account portal and sign in. Then go to Account, from there go to My Plan and then to Manage My Lines. Select your designated phone number and look through the available option data add-ons. Now select T-Satellite data add-on and process the confirmation checkout. Step 4. Enable hardware roaming. For iOS, go to Settings, then go to Cellular, then go to Cellular Data Options and turn on Satellite Roaming. For Android, go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then go to SIMs and turn on Satellite Roaming. Step 5. Establishing the satellite connection. Get a clear view of the sky. Walk out from under heavy tree cover, deep canoes, or buildings. You need a direct line of sight to the open sky. Wait for auto connect. Your phone will automatically search for the T-Mobile SpaceX network once standard cell tower disappear. Verify the connection icon. On Android, look for satellite icon in the top right corner next to your battery indicator. On iPhone, check the top corner for the SAT status indicator. The carrier name will be displayed T-Mobile SpaceX. Now open the Signal app as you normally would and type your messages and hit send. What to expect over T-Satellite? Slight delays. Messages may take a few seconds longer to send compared to standard 5G networks as the data travels 300 miles into space. Text focus. Sticks to text messages and brief voice notes. High bandwidth media like video calls or large files may fail or time out over the limited 5 MHz slice of slide. Satellite bandwidth. Full encryption. Your signal messages remain fully end-to-end encrypted, ensuring your off-grid conversations stay private. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.